हम ये नहीं कहते आप उसको एक साइड पर हम कहते हैं उसको बाद में आर्गू करें, पहले ये आर्गू करें।
ये इंटरलिंक्ड है सर, उसके बगैर हो नहीं सकते। द वे आई कंसीव द प्रॉब्लम एंड द वे आई हैव कंसीव द क्वेश्चंस, perceived the questions coming from the bench, your lordships feel and your ladyship ने तो कुछ नहीं कहा इस पे, सो मैं lordships के your lordships have feel that 191A is the bar. Allow me to make submission that there is not.
Ladies बात समझ चुकी हैं।
that is
more wiser than me.
वो कहते हैं ना जी कि if you want anything said, ask a man. If you want anything done, ask a woman. So I'm asking the woman.
I think she said it well.
That gives me a lot of heart, your ladyship.
This is the difficulty. That is why we are asking for last many dates, and each and every council has been put up this question. How we can ignore
I will
that.
answer. That's exactly what I'm going to try to answer, because this is not the first time this question has come up.
Direct आ जाओ सीधे।
जी, मैं उस पे I'll just give your lordship one example, and I'll come. Your lordship adorned the Sindh High Court.
Yes.
The Sindh High Court had original civil jurisdiction, ordinary, which has now been taken away. What is happening in all the cases which were pending in the Sindh High Court? The Sindh High Court no longer has jurisdiction, but it is passing an order. Nonetheless, it is passing orders to the effect that those cases now be sent to the relevant civil judge. So even if you don't have jurisdiction, and I'm not saying
this is the law says we are not transferring that as a High Court judges in Sindh High Court.
Exactly
the law
the
says
same.
that the cut-off date was given, and from that date all cases shall be transferred to the civil court. Likewise, under Article 191A, there is also a clause that all cases of constitutional nature stand transferred to the constitutional bench. तो यहाँ भी वही ट्रीटमेंट है जो आपने मिसाल दी है। You are right. Under the civil court ordinance वो आ गया होगा कि all cases should
मैं
be
ये कह रहा
transferred to
हूँ
that.
कि जब एक कोर्ट की जुरिस्डिक्शन ले भी ली जाती है तो वो कॉम्पिटेंट कोर्ट को रेफर करने की जुरिस्डिक्शन फिर भी रहती है। बट आई विल कम टू
उसमें क्या है
भंडारी साहब,
ऑर्डिनेंस में, वरना फॉर्मल ऑर्डर की भी जरूरत नहीं है, वो तो रजिस्ट्रार कैन ट्रांसफर दी केसेस।
जी वो जो नहीं होते, और योर लॉर्डशिप विल रिकॉल लाहौर में भी यही हुआ था जब आरएफए की जुरिस्डिक्शन चेंज हुई थी। मेरे ख्याल में मेरे भी कुछ केसेस में आपने ऑर्डर पास किए थे कि जी वो नीचे भेज दें। सो ये हो सकता है, बट हियर इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ it's a different question.
Bhandari sahab, we are sitting here as in constitutional bench, and we have been asked to decide one particular case, that is 26th Amendment. Do this bench has the power to constitute benches or convene a full bench? Is that a constitutional matter?
Absolutely. There is no. I have heard this is a question that has come up repeatedly, and I will answer it. But let me start with the basic point. What is the status of 191A when it comes? Will it be taken into consideration? The first thing is, I start off, and I'll refer to 5 Supreme Court judgments on this point. 191A is certainly on the statute book. There is no question on it. Is it constitutionally valid or not is another question which is before the court.
Unless declared otherwise.
Unless declared otherwise. But in those very proceedings in which the question of validity is at issue, the court will look not at those amendments but on the pre-existing constitutional order to decide the list. And as I said, there are 5 cases on this.
Then we cannot sit.
You can.
No.
Your Lordship,
because
every
the
time
bench has been constituted under Article 191A.
Every time a question of jurisdiction is raised, an objection is raised, it is the court itself which decides that.
Yes, you're right. In the previous precedents, it has been the court position. But this is a matter of first impression. You see, where the constitutional amendment has been made in such a fashion that there is a bifurcation of the Supreme Court jurisdiction in 2 branches. This is first time that has been done. Had it been a case of simple amendment in the Constitution, then you're right, then there was no issue to constitute that. But the Constitution bench which is hearing in this case is 191A. It is the birth of Constitution bench under Article 191A of the Constitution. And you are asking that bench to ignore 191A and move forward and constitute full court and whatever it may be. This is the difficulty. That is why we are asking so many days. We have spent on this question.
That's exactly what I want to address. I understand that
And
question.
in that eventuality, you will be, you will be given all the relief you've asked for in an interim, through an interim order,
In fact,
by ignoring 191A in case it's done.
no, my lord, with respect,
That means you are being granted
No.
the major relief.
No. Two things. I'm not asking for final relief. What I'm saying is, and I second Mr. Khaja Ahmed Hussain on this, that let that question be decided by the full court. But if your lordship says that a full court can't be convened because Article 191A bars that, then your lordship is denying me final relief at this stage. Because then your lordship has determined that Article 191A is valid.
No, 191A is valid.
We're not doing
Despite that, the provisions is there in which the constitutional amendment can be examined by the Constitution
But
Bench.
if your lordship
We are not
determines...
saying anything at this stage that whatever the case on merits, we will decide this case, we will dismiss your petition, we will allow your petition. That is all subject to your lengthy arguments and legal acumen that will be seen at the time of merits.
Agreed.
We can strike down because this is our jurisdiction under the Constitution
Yes, but if,
191A.
but if at this stage your lordship decides to reject my plea on the basis that there is 191A which creates a bar, then your lordship is accepting that 191A is valid
आपको इस तरह-
and operative.
आप इसको इस तरह
Person
लेना।
said that this is valid, it is on the
It is
statute book.
It is de facto. That's what I'm saying. Allow me to go to the case law. It is de facto valid. Its de jure validity is still subject to question. So your lordship will follow that.
It means we have no jurisdiction.
यही तो मैं आपसे पहले कह रहा हूँ ना, then we should not hear this case.
मैं अगर मुझे आप इजाजत दें, as I said, I am a man of precedent. I am a common lawyer. Let's see how
You have no precedent on this
Yes, we
matter
do.
of first impression.
Yes,
ये
we do.
वाले का नहीं है आपके
Yes,
पास
we do.
कोई.
Yes, we do.
This is totally a
My
unique
lord,
situation in this country.
We do. We have cases where there were constitutional amendments which ousted the jurisdiction of the courts, and your lordship will have to see how the courts have dealt with that situation, and those principles will then have to be applied here.
Constitutional amendment depriving the jurisdiction of subordinate court or the high court, not the Supreme Court.
It is.
In Supreme Court.
It is the Supreme Court. Let me show you because those. Sir, मुझे करने दे.
नहीं मैं आपको तो आप
63 Supreme Court.
करने दें. We are not stopping you.
नहीं सर मैं
अगर आप प्रेसिडेंट से पहले देखें जरा 191 के, क्योंकि फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन के केस है, बार बार देखना पड़ेगा। इसके दो, मेरे हिसाब से दो लिम्स हैं। एक तो 5 में, सब आर्टिकल 5 में उन केसेस के बारे में है जो पेंडिंग है
Stand transferred.
और नए फाइल हुए बिफोर 26th amendment. 3 deals with new cases, fresh cases. अब fresh cases के क्या तरीकेकार होगा? Suppose आज ऑफिस में petition आ गई, ये ऑफिस की जिम्मेदारी नहीं कि वो कहे कि ये फलाना है, कौन उसको बाइफरकेट करेगा? आयोग पहली कमेटी पहले देखेगी, फिर वो डिसाइड करेगी कि ये यहाँ आएगा या कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बेंच में जाएगा। ये इसमें सारे प्रोसेस को देखना होगा।
जी सर, वो तो ठीक है, वो तो चीजें देखें।
फिर आप चलेंगे नंबर 1, नंबर 2 ये आप इस तरीके से आ जाए, ये बताएं कि अगर ये कोर्ट, ये जो बेंच है, इसको जुरिस्डिक्शन है या नहीं है। अगर है तो इसके साथ क्या फुल कोर्ट को भी जुरिस्डिक्शन है? तो क्या दोनों की जुरिस्डिक्शन है या सिर्फ एक की है?
सर मेरा ख्याल में दोनों की है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन जो आपके पास अभी फुल कोर्ट का है, दिस इज एज मच अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनैलिटी एज ऑफ प्रोप्राइटी। आपकी let's work on the assumption that this bench has jurisdiction. The question is whether the jurisdiction of the full court is ousted, and the answer is no. In my humble opinion, it's not. So let's work on the assumption, as I said, this question that whether this bench has jurisdiction or not cannot be decided unless the fate of Article 191A is determined. If 191A is unconstitutional, then your lordships don't have jurisdiction. If it is constitutional, then your lordships have jurisdiction. So the answer to this question is dependent on the validity of 191A itself. And if your lordship invoke 191A to bar my application, then your lordships are accepting that 191A is valid. Then what do I challenge? What happens to my challenge?
भंडारी साहब एक डिफरेंस है भंडारी साहब. It is only to the extent of the available forum within the Supreme Court to determine the validity of the 26th Amendment.
My lord, if 191,
Forum.
my lord, if 191A is valid for that purpose, then it is valid for all purposes.
It is just for the procedure.
No, my lord, it is not. It is.
Without commenting upon the validity of the 26th Amendment
My
at
lord,
this
that,
stage.
in my humble opinion, that's not possible, because you will say that 191A is there, it is valid, and it ousts the formation of a full court. Otherwise, you can't say that it is valid to that extent, but it is otherwise invalid. That bifurcation can't be logically made, in my humble opinion.
ये तो फिर
It is-
सस्पेंशन वाली बात होगी.
नहीं, sir,
उसको
नहीं,
determine किए बगैर
Sir,
suspend करके
let me come to the case law. Let me show you. The first one is,
जब आप कह रहे हैं कि दोनों कोर्ट्स की जुरिस्डिक्शन है तो आप डायरेक्ट उस पे आ जाए कि वहाँ क्यों भिजवाया जाए?
sir, मैं तो इसलिए कि ये जो
तैयार होगे तो हम भिजवाएंगे ना.
सर 191A का जो मेरे सामने एक लॉसेस खड़ा हुआ है ऑब्स्टिकल, मैं उसको हटाऊंगा तो आगे चलूंगा ना. मैं फिलहाल उसको हटाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि वो आपके रास्ते में बार नहीं है.
हम ये नहीं कहते आप उसको एक साइड पर हम कहते हैं आप उसको बाद में आर्गू करें, पहले ये आर्गू करें. जो
नहीं, ये इंटरलिंक्ड है सर, उसके बगैर हो नहीं सकते. द वे आई कंसीव द प्रॉब्लम एंड द वे आई हैव कंसीव द क्वेश्चंस, perceived the questions coming from the bench, your lordships feel and your लेडीशिप्स ने तो कुछ नहीं कहा इस पे, सो मैं लॉर्डशिप्स कि your lordships have feel that 191A is the bar. Allow me to make submission that there is not a bar.
लेडीज बात समझ चुकी हैं.
That is
more wiser than me.
वो कहते हैं ना जी कि if you want anything said, ask a man. If you want anything done, ask a woman. So I'm asking the woman.
I think she said it well.
That gives me a lot of heart, your ladyship.